Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss multilingual AI chat assistant application using RAG, that is called retrieval-augmented generation. So this is the one of the MVP that we have developed for one of our Maharashtra based client, and same types of the MVP that we are going to discuss in our upcoming course, that is called Gen AI for Developer course, where we can build the products instead of building a simple projects. Okay, so this is the one of the application that we have, where we have the key features like multilingual supports like English, Hindi and Marathi. As I mentioned, this application, this MVP that we have developed for one of our Maharashtra based client. Next we have the document analysis, we have the image processing, so extract and analyze the information from the images. Now if I just show you the application code, so here you can see that we have the complete backend code, we have the complete front end code, where we have used the different multiple models from the Hugging Face. We use the different API key, okay, to build this particular full-fledged application, a full-fledged MVP. Apart from this one, that we have developed a complete front end as well in a React. So end to end MVP that we are going to discuss in our Gen AI for Developer course, where we can start with what is RAG, what are the different types of the RAG that we have, what are how we can design the RAG architecture. So each and everything that we are going to discuss, and then we have the end-to-end projects where we are going to cover the tech stacks like Python, OCR test rate, Google model, again LangChain, VectorDB, Transformer, Streamlit, Fast API, React for the UI development. So slowly that we can start one by one. First that we can cover the Streamlit application, a simple POC that we can develop. After that we can jump into the Fast API for the production purpose, and then we can build the complete UI in React for complete full-fledged MVP. And the same way that we build the projects whenever we work for any clients in an industry. Okay, so this is the full-fledged application that we have, and these are the some of the key features that we have for this multilingual AI chat assistant application. Now let's try out this particular application. So we can just click on the try out. So welcome to start our conversation. Please upload the document first in your preferred language like Hindi, English, Marathi, as it support the multiple language. So what I can do, let me upload the managed document. We can just upload the document here. Here we can upload any document. So this particular application, it support 300 plus PDF file. Okay, so here we can upload any PDF file. So right now what I'm doing, as for the testing purpose, here I'm just going to upload the one simple resume just for the testing purpose. That's it. What I can do, let me upload my resume instead of uploading the other people resume. So what I can do, I will just select my resume from here, process the documents. So it will take again few seconds to process the entire document. And if I just show you the terminal, now as you can see, processing started, encrypted file, processing page 1 and so on. It will process and then it will store the complete data into the VectorDB. Again, as a part of this particular course that we are going to cover a multiple VectorDB. So if I just show you here, so multiple VectorDB that we are going to cover, as you can see, Pinecone, Bevet, Quadret, ChromaDB. So multiple VectorDB that we are going to cover end-to-end implementation with the multiple projects. Okay, now it's ongoing. So if I just check the terminal, so final documents uploaded, and yes, successfully uploaded. Here as you can see the message, document successfully processed. Now what I can do, so now I can just jump into the back here, or we can just click on the chat section here. Okay, now I can just ask here, okay, so tell me about Shivan overall experience and company name along with complete duration. So here you can see that I'm going to check a multiple things. Okay, so first that I'm going to talk about the overall experience, then I'm going to talk about the company, and then a complete duration in each company. Now if I just open my resume just to show you for the verification purpose, that's it. So here you can see that I have the total 5.3 years of working experience, and here I work in a multiple company like CTO as a Crystal AI, Arma Better as a data scientist and mentor, again senior data scientist, funding member at Data Lab, associate data scientist and team lead at iNeuron. Now let's see. Now here you can see in this particular application we have the features for text plus audio. Just listen.
Alma Better July 2024 to February 2025. Diotha Labs January 2023 to May 2024. and Inuron January 2020 to November 2022.
Okay, so here in this particular application we have the text plus audio features whenever we will get the response. Apart from this one, if you want to ask a query in a audio instead of text, then we have those features as well. You can just click here, help me with, okay, first I need to allow here, so allow while visiting the site, listening. Okay, help me with users overall experience and the projects he worked on. It will take a few seconds actually. Okay, so it's my bad. Okay, I just, without stopping, I just started. So as you can see, again it's processing from the resume and then it will give you the complete responses. Okay, so here even we can track those things in a terminal as well. We can store it into the logs or somewhere in a database or somewhere on the cloud platform that is called S3 bucket on the AWS. Okay, so even those integration that we have in this particular project. So whenever we are talking about the audio, so it's taking some time as we are working on it. Okay, so we can resolve those issues. Okay, so this is the complete RAG based application that we have, and the same types of the application, not the same, a same application, same MVP that we are going to discuss in our GenAI for developer courses. Okay, so for the complete course information, you can just check the description and let me know if you have any query regarding the courses. Thank you everyone.